When we use tables to record data, we often need to set the text formatting to give the table a nicer look. Take this table as an example. Click Edit to open Tools. In the Home tab, we can set the font, text effects, size, text color, fill color, and so on. In order to beautify the table layout, we can set the table header row. Select the cell area. We can change font, text effects, size, text color, and fill color. Looking at the effects after the changes, we will find that the table is more beautiful. The text effects, text color, and fill color can be edited directly from the Edit interface. We can also go to WPS Office for PC to edit the table text, which is more convenient for us and more versatile.